everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 7th day in the question practice. We have already covered 6 questions. So make sure you practice those questions as well. And the question for today is that during the eukaryotic cell division, so this particular question is from cell cycle. The question is during the eukaryotic cell division, which of the following helps in the transition from metaphase to anaphase? So the options for this particular question is, the first option is CDK1, second option is CDK2, third option is cyclin B1, and the fourth option is Aurora A kinase. You have 4 options. You have the question that during the eukaryotic cell division, which of the following helps in the transition from metaphase to anaphase? So the question and the option are in front of you. Listen to the question carefully, write down the answers in the comment section, and with this you can note down that cell cycle and the complete regulation of the cell cycle is very important. All the CDKs, cyclins, how do they work, at which particular step do they work? Questions have been repeated from this particular topic time and again. So do not skip this question. These type of topics are very important. You can check out the previous year questions. So many times questions have been asked from the cell cycle topic itself. So make sure you do not skip this. This was about this particular question. Write the answers in the comment section and the answer for the same would be given to you on the Telegram channel. Link for the Telegram is in the description box. Check it out, join there and practice well. This was about for this particular video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.